Discover natural home remedies to replace harmful cosmetics and achieve glowing skin the safe way. Say goodbye to chemicals and embrace do-it-yourself beauty solutions using simple, effective ingredients from your kitchen. Welcome to Dad's Daily 101, your go-to destination for health tips, beauty secrets, and better living hacks that make life easier and healthier. Here are the 6 powerful DIY skincare secrets for glowing, youthful skin. Mix lemon juice with buttermilk, apply it to the face, leave it for 20 minutes, and rinse off. Regular use keeps oily and normal skin smooth. Combine 2 teaspoons of glycerin with 1 teaspoon of rosewater and lemon juice. Apply this mixture at night and wash it off in the morning. Using it 4 times a week helps reduce wrinkles and smoothen the skin. Blend 1 teaspoon of turmeric with a little saffron powder and a paste of neem leaves in raw milk. Apply to the face and wash off after drying. Doing this 3 times a week fades sun-damaged spots and enhances skin glow. Mix gram flour with mustard oil, apply it to the body, and bathe to enhance the skin's natural glow. Applying a butter and turmeric mixture to the face before bed and washing it off in the morning makes the skin soft and radiant. Before applying any face pack, use some lemon juice to protect the skin from pollution. Its high vitamin C content helps prevent wrinkles.
Subscribe now and join our community for daily tips and tricks to glow inside and out. Because you never know which tip will come in handy at any given time. So click on that bell icon to turn on notifications. See you in next video.